Hi, I'm Mrs. Steele, again, in case you forgot who I was. Today we are going to be doing spelling. We're going to talk about spelling words, and I'm going to tell you what your spelling words are for the week. Spelling words are words that you have to learn how to spell without anybody telling you or without looking. So if I say the word, you're going to write it out and you're going to spell it. So you have to memorize and practice, okay? This week our words are easy. I need you to get out this page, and this page has, we're going to write our words here, and then at the bottom, it has spots for you when you're practicing at home, you can color. So on Monday, when you practice at home, you can color this picture, and then on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, and then on Thursday, and your teacher will tell you what days that you will have your test, depending on what day you come in. So you might not color it on Friday, maybe, depending on what day you come to school. So get this page out, and this is where you're going to write the words that I tell you. I'm going to write them on the board, but you're going to write them on here. This page is good for you to put on the refrigerator so that every night when you practice, you just get this out and someone from home can tell you the words. Then when you're done practicing, you color the little picture at the bottom. Our words this week, and I'm just going to write this. You don't need to write this on your paper. Our words this week, most of them have either at the end or an at the end. Or, sorry, one more, app at the end. Our first word is man. M-A-N. All lowercase. Our spelling words all have lowercase letters, not capital. It's not a sentence. It's not a special word. It's not a name. So lowercase. Make sure you're making your N. Sometimes people do this for N, and it almost looks like an H. They might put this a little bit too tall. So, is it an H? Is it an N? So make sure you're making your letters the right way so we can read them. So man, M-A-N. Number 2. The second word is cat. C-A-T. Again, all lowercase letters. None of them are capital. They're not names. They're not sentences. Cat, C-A-T. Number 3, nap, N-A-P. Make sure you're making your N so it looks like an N and not an H. N-A-P. So remember I said they're going to some with at, some with an, some with app. Number 4 is also a word. They're called high frequency words, or maybe in kindergarten you called them popcorn words. So this is a word that doesn't go with any of these patterns, but it's still an easy word. Not. N-O-T. Not. Like I am not ready to wake up yet. Not. So far we have man, cat, nap, not. Number 5 is a lot like man, only we're just going to change one letter. Can. C-A-N. Man can. You're just changing the first letter. I'm going to erase these now so that you don't get mixed up. Man can. Number 6 is like cat. Hat. H-A-T. We're just changing the first letter. Cat, hat. Again, lowercase letters, they're not capital. Number 7 is like nap. It's tap. T-A-P. Nap, tap. We're just changing the first letter. Number 8 is kind of the tricky one. It's one of those words that breaks the rules, and that word is does. Kind of sounds like there's a Z on the end, but there's not. It's an S. Does. Number 8, does. D. Make sure you're writing a D and not a B. O-E-S. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. So here are our spelling words. Man, cat, nap, not, can, hat, tap, does. They're all pretty easy. They all follow the rules except for does. So that might be the tricky one. Okay, so that page that you wrote those spelling words on, this page, keep it somewhere so that every day you can work on practicing your spelling words. And then the next page you're going to get out, and this is where you're going to practice, really practice writing your words, is this page. Okay? It has 2 sides. It has the little schoolhouse on the back. Okay. So this says, write each word 4 times. So it says the word man. You're going to write man, 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 man. And then the word nap. Nap, 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 nap. That's what you're going to do with each one. You're writing that word 4 times each. And then on the back, 4 times each. And if you want to, you can color that at the end. So your teacher will tell you she just wants you to take a picture of this so you can see it or bring it in. Your teacher will let you know. I will see you again tomorrow for another spelling activity. Bye.